Writing a grant that actually gets read. Hi, I'm Andrea Hancock, owner of Hancock Business and Creative Services, LLC, where I help small businesses and nonprofits simplify their operations and succeed with confidence. If you want clear, practical tips on building your organization and writing grants, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss a new video. So, you found a great grant opportunity. Now comes the hard part, writing that proposal. I've written and reviewed hundreds of grants over the years, and the number one mistake I find is overcomplicating the story. The best proposals are clear, focused, and written for real people, not panels of robots or an overly complex jargon that only somebody in your organization or field could decipher. Here's a simple framework that I use in helping clients to write grants that get noticed. First, problem. Start with the need. What is the issue you're addressing? Use a mix of data and human impact. For example, you could say, veterans in our community face limited access to creative opportunities. That's a problem. Number 2, solution. Explain how your organization or project solves that problem. Keep it specific. What programs or approaches make your work effective? Number 3, impact. Paint a picture of the change you've created or hope to create. What's different because you exist? What do your participants or community gain? What changes? Number 4, your ask. Close with clarity. State exactly what you're requesting and what the funds will make possible. And through all of that, keep it human. Avoid jargon. Instead of saying strategic programming for outcome-based engagement or something wordy like that, say, we help people connect, create, and grow. Funders are human too, and they want to feel inspired. A clear, heartfelt story always outperforms a complicated one. If you want a polished, reusable grant proposal that you can adapt for future applications, check out my grant packages. I've linked them in the description box, and I've designed them to give you everything you need to apply with confidence. You can learn more and book a consultation with me at the link below. If you're looking to write your own grants and learn more about that and be hands-on, find a link also in the bio. I have some DIY packages as well. Happy grant writing!